Hello, my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY experiment that I've never tried before. I'm going to be using milk in my hair. Now, milk is said to have like a lot of vitamins. It contains protein, contains calcium, iron, and things like that. All these ingredients are actually beneficial to the hair. Now, I drink a lot of milk. Like, I literally drink milk as much as a newborn baby. And actually, I'm saying that like drinking milk, a lot of milk, actually helps my hair and my skin. So today I want to see if it's going to do anything if I apply the milk directly on my hair. So if you guys would like to see my results, then definitely keep on watching. So to start the whole video, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. You guys know that products absorb better into your hair when you apply on freshly washed hair. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. I'll not be unraveling the twists. I'm going to be doing everything in twists. I have mini twists of my hair right now, so I'll just go wash my hair in my Dudu Osun. I'm going to be using my Dudu Osun black soap to wash my hair. I got a new one. So I'll wash my hair and then I'll come back to show you guys the application process. So I'm done washing my hair. My hair is like clean and juicy. So now I'm going to go ahead and start the milk application process. So I have here my warm milk. This is actually warmed it so it's a little bit warm. I really cannot believe I'm putting this in my hair. I don't think I'm going to do this again. Like, let me drink some milk. It tastes so good. Should I use this or should I drink it? Should I use it or should I drink it? Anyway, but I promise you guys I'm going to try this in my hair. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I just hope I do not end up drinking everything. So I'm going to put this. It will not be easy for me to apply because you guys can see it's watery. It's watery. So I'm going to pour it in this spray bottle so that it's going to be easier for me to apply. Oh my god. If my mom finds out that I'm doing this, she'll kill me. So I poured a little, like almost everything, remaining a little. So I'm just going to go ahead and drink this one. This tastes so good though. I don't think all the other like milk drinks I usually make taste this good. I think I poured too much milk. I know there are people that say that they do not drink milk. Like I don't know how you people cope, but milk is one of my favorite drinks. This is the best milk drink I've ever had. So yeah, let's go back to business. So I'm going to be spritzing it into my hair section by section, like in sections, in small sections, just to make sure that every strand gets some milk. I'm focusing on the ends, as I always do. Ooh. And also on my scalp. This actually feels really good on the scalp. It feels amazing on the scalp. So I'm just like working it into my hair so that every strand kind of gets some of the milk. On applying, like it doesn't feel like plain water. It feels like water that has some like chalk in it or so. But like it's not like something that you're going to use to detangle. Like it has no slip, like absolutely no slip. Now, even though this is the first time I'm actually using milk in my hair, I've actually used yogurt before. I've used the yogurt in my hair once. There was this time I went to like another part of town. I had a few things to do there, but by the time I was done, I could not come back home because it was already late, and I don't like moving around at night. So I spent the night in a hotel. But at the end of that day, like, my hair was like really dry and crusty and things like that. And because I did not plan that I was going to spend the night outside my house, like, I did not go with any product or anything like that, so my hair was really dry. And so I bought yogurt to drink because, like, that was supposed to be my dinner. So I bought some yogurt, but it tasted really bad. Like, it was not like delicious yogurt. So I did not want it to go to waste. So I decided to just put it in my hair, use it like a hair mask. So I put it in my hair, covered with a plastic bag, left it in for like, I think 30 minutes or 1 hour. And you guys, by the time I rinsed it out, I was so surprised. My hair felt so good. It felt so juicy, so moisturized. And I was wearing my hair out, like, I was wearing my hair in like a TWA afro kind of thing. You guys have seen me wear that style for some time, like several times on my channel. So that was the style I was wearing. And you know, I always tell you guys that leaving your hair shrunken when it's dry, like, it's recipe for a lot of damage. So I put the yogurt in my hair, and my hair, it revived my hair. Like, it revived my hair. I could not even believe my eyes. It's just very funny that something that did not taste good actually did so good to my hair. So that's actually one of the things that inspired me to do this. I've actually been wanting to try this for a while now, but every time I say, okay, let me do it, I get tempted and I drink the milk. So today is the day I just decided that I have to do this. I think making the milk warm kind of like will help with the results. I don't know. And also I forgot to tell you guys, I used evaporated milk. So I don't use like condensed milk or anything, because I wanted to have to be able to make it as thick as I want, you know. So you guys can see it's actually watery, but it's not so watery. It's slightly thick, as you guys can see. So that's why I use evaporated milk. I believe you can use any form of milk. If you can use the milk straight from the cow, I think that would be better. But I do not have access to that, so that's why I'm using this. If this works out really nice, I'll be doing this from time to time, or maybe I may add it to my DIY deep conditioner. Who knows? Let's just wait and see how this turns out. At this point, everybody in my house is already tired of me. Because they always like mock me to be like, you use everything for your hair, like, you use literally everything. Like, your hair is actually eating better food than many human beings. Like, I actually use a lot of like food things. Most of the things I use for my hair care are basically things that I can get from my kitchen, or things that at least people eat, even if I do not eat. Like, there are things that people eat in other parts of the world. I just feel like using food grade items for your hair is a lot safer than using all these products with all these so many chemicals in them. And so far I've been able to, I feel like you can actually do without using all those chemicals in your hair. Your hair can actually look really good even without using all those products with chemicals in them. I'm not yet there yet with my skin. Like, right now I'm still using so many chemical filled products for my skin, and I'm gradually trying to switch. The thing is, all these DIYs that I do for my hair that are actually really great for my hair, I feel like when I try them on my skin, they do not work as good, you know. So I don't know, I'm still trying though, you know. Maybe very soon I should be able to master like the things that I can actually use for my skin that are like I can get from my kitchen and things like that, because it's actually very nice. And the fact that you're using products from your kitchen, you hardly ever run out of products, because like you always have food in your house. Most times, like most people always have food, some kind of food, so you never really run out of products. You can always just cook something up in your kitchen and your hair is as good as new. And the good thing about using products that you can easily get from your kitchen is that, like, even when you travel, like there are certain products that are only available in certain areas. So when you make yourself, like when you depend so much on all those store-bought products, if you go to like a new place where you may not have access to that, so what are you going to do? What will you do now when you don't have access? Then you become frustrated because you don't really know any other option that you can use. So that's why I feel like incorporating DIYs made of mostly things that you can easily get around you, like it will just make your whole life so much easier. And it will also make you spend less money on your hair. And when you step outside, nobody will be able to tell that you're not spending so much money on your hair, because your hair will look so good, to look healthy, to be growing, to be, you know, nourished and things like that. I actually thought that because I drank some of the milk, like that the milk will not be enough, but so the way I'm seeing it will be enough. It will be enough. But what will annoy me is if it is more than enough, because now I put it into my spray bottle and I cannot drink from that spray bottle because I'll put all sorts of things in that spray bottle, so I cannot drink from it. So if it's more than enough, I'll be so angry with myself, so angry with myself. My hair is looking so good. I'm also planning to do a like temporary hair color kind of thing. I'm trying to I'm planning to experiment with like gray like silver kind of look on my hair. You guys can see, because every time I put something in my hair that looks white, like it's always very, very nice. I feel like gray will look really good on me. So I'm working towards like doing a video on like temporary hair color that is silver gray kind of thing. If you guys are interested, please let me know in the comment section, so I'll know that if it's something that you guys are interested in, maybe I'll film it when I actually get to try the temporary hair color. And if you guys are not interested, also let me know, so I don't bother filming it. So I just keep it all to myself. I also like the fact that like I don't know, some people may not like the smell of milk, but I love the smell of milk, so I don't mind my hair smelling like milk, unlike like many other DIYs that do not have nice smell. Like the thing about DIY is that most times your hair will not smell nice, because many of all those DIY stuff do not smell nice. But I like this one. I think that's why I actually continued using Ayurvedic herbs, because it does not have really strong smell. Yeah, so it's just enough. It is just enough, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that it's just enough, because if it was not that enough, I would have been so angry with myself. But this actually feels good though. It feels good. Like it feels. I just like how it feels. So now I'm done applying the milk all over my hair. So now I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag and leave it in my hair for at least 30 minutes. I may leave it in for up to 1 hour, but when I come back, I'll probably tell you guys how long I left it. So see you guys in 30 minutes or 1 hour time. So I'm done rinsing out the milk from my hair. I actually left this in for 1 hour, and I am so surprised with my result. Like my hair feels like soft and flexible, and like it feels really silky to the touch. Like I don't know how to explain it, because like my hair it cannot really be silky because I have fussy hair, but it feels like really juicy. I know I keep saying juicy but like that's the best thing I can use to describe it. Like it's so juicy, and I'm so impressed. I'm so surprised, because like I did not put any oil in it, I did not put anything in it. It was just milk, and it feels like I use like a really good deep conditioner. I was expecting the whole stuff to like make my hair hard and stiff, considering the fact that milk has protein. But like my hair does not feel like that at all. It feels like really soft and flexible. Now will I be doing this again? Well, I'll probably, if I can control myself, if I have enough self-control so that I do not drink it, I'll probably do this again. Yeah, I should do this again. I should. I think I'm probably going to be using it like now, since the weather is getting really dry. When I want to like just infuse some moisture back in my hair in between wash days, I'll probably do this. Yeah, but I don't know if I'm going to wash my hair before doing it, or maybe I'll just apply into my hair, like do like a water rinse, then use it in my hair, probably. But like this feels really good. Let me know, have you ever tried this? If you have, please let me know what your result was. But like I have no oils in my hair. My hair feels like I have just the right quantity of oils in it. Like it's just, I also noticed that why after I applied it, like the parts, because I had some of the milk running down my neck and my face, like when it dry, like when the milk dried on my skin, I noticed that it left like a film of oil and like a film of shine. So even though I cannot see it now, because it's probably when I start editing this that I'm going to probably see if it has shine, but I can't really see it now. But I think I'm going to have, like, it's going to leave some shine in my hair. Normally that I was actually expecting that, because that was what I saw on Google when I googled it. So yeah, so let me give you guys the back view. So my hair feels so soft that I really don't feel the need to moisturize it. But I'm going to moisturize it anyways. I also noticed that as I covered the stuff with a plastic bag, it produced a lot of heat. So like it was like by the time I took it down, like I could feel the heat. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it happened, like why it was like that, but like it produced a lot of heat. So if you're someone that likes to deep condition with heat in your hair, you may not need to, because I don't know, somehow it produced a lot of heat. Maybe it's because after I covered the plastic bag, I actually went out, like I went to another room. I sat under a fan, you know, so but even at that, it still produced a lot of heat. So have that in mind if you try to do this. So yeah, with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.